Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of my hair series. If you guys want to catch up with part 1 and 2, those videos are linked down below. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I cut and style this wig. Before I do any customizations to my units, I always straighten it out so I'm working with the full length. Okay, you guys, so we're jumping right into the haircut. What you see me doing here is creating my guideline for the haircut. The guideline is pretty much the blueprint of the haircut. If you ever get lost when you're cutting your hair, then you just pretty much go right back to that guideline and you will find your way through the rest of your haircut. So if you guys notice, there is no elevation. You don't see me picking up the hair. The hair is a one length haircut, basically a bob haircut. With bobs, you really don't want to create any elevation because it's just going to throw the whole entire style off when everything is finished and said and done. So you want to make sure you keep the hair at a 0 degree angle. 0 degree means it's straight down, no elevation. Okay, you guys, I'm using cosmetology terminology because, you know, I am a professional. So, you know, I kind of definitely want to encourage the language for, you know, people who may be in school or that is a fellow cosmetologist, and so that they can understand what I'm doing. So I'm literally working from the left side of the head to the right side of the head just to make sure that it's even across. This may not be your traditional bob haircut, but this is what works for me when I'm dealing with wigs. Alright, you guys, I'm sure you noticed that I've moved my wig from my display mannequin to the canvas block that I originally created the wig on. So right now I'm going to be creating a new guideline for the desired length that I want. The old guideline was just, you know, to take off some length off the wig. This guideline is going to be the exact desired length that I want. So we're going to follow the same exact steps with bringing all of the hairs to a 0 degree angle. You do not want to elevate this cut. It's very important to tilt the mannequin during the cut because you want to make sure there are no unwanted hairs peeking through. You also want to make sure that your mannequin is sturdy on the wig stand, or else something like this might happen during your cut. Y'all, please excuse the back of my head. It was a little past 2 o'clock in the morning when I was doing this cut. So please excuse that, okay? I was looking a bit rough. But on a serious note, at this point in the cut, I am just cleaning up the edges, you know, just to make sure that everything is even all the way around. You see that the hair is angled down. I'm not cutting into the hair. I'm just literally cleaning up the edges. So you see, I put the hair back up so that everything falls at the same angle, and I'm just checking through to make sure that there was nothing that I missed. I believe that there was a spot that I needed to go back. Everything looked good from the front at this point, and yes, I was correct. There was a little spot in the back that I seen some hairs that I was like, no, you gotta go. Alright dolls, we are going to jump right into the styling of this video. We are going to be using this wand from New Me. It's called a magic wand. It's a 19mm. Those are the panels on this wand. When I turn on the wand, it automatically starts to heat up, which is amazing because I'm like, yes, I don't have to wait. But that's honestly with most electric stylers. They start to automatically heat up, but this one I get to see it heating up. So yeah, that's exciting. That glove came with the styler. It's a heat resistant glove. It's not completely heat resistant because even at 370 I could still feel some heat come through, but it definitely takes a minute before I could feel the heat come through. So the hairspray is optional. I wanted my curls to last a little longer, but I also like that second day drop curl look. So you guys are gonna see what I mean in a second. So go ahead, comb it through, and we are curling towards the face. You want to wrap it around, hold it, let it go, and pull down. Now we're going to wrap the hair away from the face. You want to twirl and wrap at the same time. Then you're going to hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Let it go, pull it down. We're going to repeat the same steps. Like I said before, the spray is optional. Now with this strand, we're wrapping the hair away from the face, holding it for about 20 to 30 seconds, letting it go, and pulling it down. Now we're wrapping the hair towards the face, holding it for 20 to 30 seconds, letting it go, and pulling it down. So I'm finished with the back. You can see how pulling on the curls create that messy drop look. We're in the last section, and I'm going to continue alternating the direction of the curls. You're going to keep holding it, letting it go, and pulling on it. This strand I'm wrapping towards the face. The last one I wrapped away from the face. We're going to hold it, let it go. This strand I'm wrapping away from the face. You could better understand it now, being that I'm at the front of the head. Now I'm at the face framing area of the wig. I'm wrapping this away from the face, holding it, and letting it go, and pulling it down. I'm wrapping this piece towards the face. I just love how it falls into the face. It's super cute. We're gonna hold it, let it go, and pull it down. Okay, dolls, we are all done. It's a wrap for this hair series. Please catch up with part 1 and 2. It is linked down below. Also, turn on your notifications. I want to see my notification gang. And don't forget to follow the Urban Junglist on Instagram.